Welcome to our new weekly series where we'll walk you through the latest PlanetScale product updates. Each week, we'll cover what's new, why it matters, and how you can start using it. This week's edition will be a little bit longer as I'm going to cover everything that happened in August. Let's get into it. First up, we have expanded configuration options for Postgres databases using network-attached storage, so non-metal instances. We now allow you to provision IOPS and bandwidth. This lets you fine-tune performance, giving better control over throughput and latency. To use it, go to your Postgres cluster's storage tab in the dashboard and adjust the IOPS and bandwidth settings based on your cluster size and disk limits. Next, we've made some updates to role management in Postgres. You can now manage roles straight from your PlanetScale dashboard, the CLI, and the API. This makes role administration simpler and more accessible, and also allows you to create roles programmatically through the CLI or API, a highly requested option. You can also continue to create roles at the Postgres layer with Create Role as well. To create a new role, go to your database settings page, click New Role, select the permissions you want associated with that role, and click Create Role. We have also released a new set of provider-specific migration guides and scripts to help migrate your Postgres databases to PlanetScale with no or minimal downtime. You can find all our migration guides on our docs site. In general, there are 3 recommended paths for migration. 1, logical replication. 2, using an intermediary database with AWS DMS. Or 3, good old dump and restore. Which one you pick depends on your business's specific needs, data size, and downtime tolerance. If you need any assistance at all, we're always happy to help out. Just reach out to us at planetscale.com/contact. Next, the pscale shell command now supports Postgres databases using the standard PSQL client. This allows you to connect directly to your database, eliminating the need for a local proxy. To use it, run pscale shell with your database name and branch ID, and it will connect you directly to your PlanetScale Postgres instance. Next, we've added a new time series graph in Insights that displays your maximum query latency, both at the overall database level and for specific query patterns. Understanding maximum latency helps identify outlier queries or performance spikes that you might not have normally noticed in the overall graphs, but can have a huge impact on your system performance. To check out yours, go to the Database Insights tab for the database you'd like to see and click the Max button on the query latency graph. We have also added support for 2 more Postgres extensions, pgcron and pgpartment. The pgcron extension is used to schedule SQL jobs, and the pgpartment extension is used for automated table partition maintenance. You can enable support for either of these extensions through the Extensions tab in your Postgres cluster configuration page. These were 2 highly requested extensions, so we're happy to have support for them now. We're continuing to add support for more extensions all the time, so if you rely on a certain extension but don't see it on our list of supported extensions, just reach out to support and let us know. And finally, we've added a dashboard update to display the provisioned IOPS for your Metal clusters. You can see this by going to your dashboard page for your Metal database. All right, that's it for the changes this week. We'll see you around next week. Bye.